Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will tell you how the price of silver has moved in the last week and how the silver price can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart, what you can see from 2021, it was moving in a particular range, and once this range breaks, okay, it was in this particular range. Once this range breaks downside, we have seen that it is continuously in the downside. But now if you look at the chart from November till December and Jan, we can see it is in the downside. But as of now, if we look at the chart from mid of December, we can see yes, the price is rising, and now it is trading around 23.200. So I have already told you in my previous video that the price can increase because there is a pattern forming in this particular silver prices. So when I have told you that 22 point, if it crosses a level of 22.600, then the probability of touching 23 is very high. Before that, if you have any doubt regarding silver, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com or a mail ID I have given in the description. You can watch the full video, then only you understand how this technical in silver is working. And if you wish to join my Telegram channel, link I have given in the description, you can join. Now look at the chart. Okay, if you look at the chart, what we can see now, trading at around 23.194. Suppose if the price sustain this level, and this is a W pattern forming here. Suppose if it sustain this level, then we can see it can go further higher to a level of 23.316. okay, and if the price sustain above this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 23.409, and these two levels are already tested here, so chances will be very high we can see a level of 23.594. okay, and this 594 is again tested here, so probability is very high we can see a level of 23.948. see, okay, so once if it goes above this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 24.102. okay, and if the price sustain above this level, then we can see it can go further high to a level of 24.287, and from there we can see it can go further high to a level of 24.472. okay, and this is a strong resistance. So once this, if it goes above this level, then we can see it can go further high to a level of 24.626. okay, and if the price sustain above this level, then we can see it can go to a level of 24.827, and this level is already tested here, so chances will be very high we can see a level of 25.212, and if the price sustain above this level, then we can see it can go further high to a level of 25.397. okay, but suppose if the price didn't sustain this level, okay, see, now if the price didn't sustain this level, then we can see it can go further low to a level of 23.039, and from there we can see it can go and touch a level of 22.196. suppose if the price didn't sustain this level, then we can see it can go further low to a level of 22.777. okay, and from there chances will be very high we can see a level of 22.607, and from there we can see it can go further low to a level of 22.515, and from there we can see a level of 22.422. once if it comes close to this level, then we can see it can go fall further to a level of 22 level, and once this support is breaks downside, then we can see it can come down to a level of 21.821, and from there we can see it can go fall further to a level of 21.683. okay, and this level is already tested here, so chances will be very high we can see a level of 21.436, and these 436 are already tested twice, so chances are very high we can see it can go further low to a level of 19, which I have already explained in my previous video. Again I repeat, if the price sustain this level, then we can see a level of 23.446, and from there we can see it can go and touch a level of 615. from there we can see a level of 23.971. if it sustain above this level, then we can see a level of 24.234, and from there we can see it can go and touch a level of 24.797, which is already tested here, so we can see a level of 25.397, and it can go further high. But suppose if it didn't sustain, then we can see a level of 22.658, and from there we can see a level of 22.396, and if the price goes below a level of 1.983, okay, which is a strong support, then we can see if it breaks downside, we can see a level of 21.439, and from there we can see it can go further low to a level of 19.995. keep this in mind that if it goes below a level of 21.739, then probably it will go further low. But now remember one thing, a mind psychology, that is a trader, you can make profit, but the thing is that risk management is very important in trading. So now what you have to understand, suppose if you are trading with $10,000 of capital, okay, then always trade with 10 to 15% of capital per trade, and your risk should be 0.5 to 1%, so that if you trade 5 times, you know your risk is this much, but if you make profit, then the profit can go higher. Okay, so that you should not be a burden with the next trade. Okay, and 0.51% is psychologically a good risk, so that you can make good profit in the future. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it.